Hours, a New York judge has decided to push sentencing in Donald Trump's hush money case to after the election. It is just one of several legal battles the former president faces in his push to retake the White House. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest from Washington.
For the second day in a row, former President Trump's legal battles overshadowing the campaign as a New York judge delayed sentencing for Mr. Trump's felony hush money conviction for falsifying business records until after the November election in, quote, the interests of justice.
He cannot say that any type of decision made with regard to the sentencing is going to influence the election.
That after the former president appeared in court to appeal his guilty verdict in a separate civil case that found him liable for sexually abusing and defaming writer E. Jean Carroll.
It's so false. It's a made-up, fabricated story.
Former President Trump addressed reporters for nearly an hour without taking questions and without evidence claimed the legal cases against him are election interference. His attorneys argue the Carroll verdict should be thrown out.
It's very clear that there was error in the admission of the propensity evidence,
saying the judge improperly allowed in evidence, including about two other women's claims that Mr. Trump assaulted them and the infamous Access Hollywood tape, which Carroll's lawyer argued should be viewed as a confession of touching women without their consent. A three-judge appeals panel will rule later. Former President Trump then heading to North Carolina to address the Fraternal Order of Police, talking crime, as Vice President Harris focused on the economy in a Univision radio interview.
Teachers and nurses and firefighters should not be paying more in taxes than the richest people in our country.
She's in Pennsylvania prepping for next week's critical debate. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.